Hello, my dear students. Good morning to all. I'm your Grishma Miss. How are you all? Hope you all are well. Which is our subject today? Today, our first subject is English. Yes. Are you all wearing your mask while you're going out? Okay. And you all are washing your hands properly while you're coming back, right? Very good. You all know, no, why we are doing this? Why are we doing this? Yes. We are doing this to protect ourselves from COVID-19. Very good. So, in English, which was our first chapter? Which was our first chapter in English? Our first chapter is My First Roller Coaster. Our first chapter name is My First Roller Coaster. And what did we learn in our last classes? We learned that we were learning a story. The story is written by Mia Great. In this story, Mia Great, she herself is the narrator here. So she is telling us her experience on a roller coaster. She was in Disneyland when this was happening, and she was 11 years old, correct? So she was afraid of roller coasters. So this is her first experience on a roller coaster. So she is in Disneyland and she is explaining that experience to us. So let us continue. Okay. I winced as the coaster raced down the hill. X. Drops really scared me, but the only thing was going upside down. Could you fall out? The structure of the ride just went up and up and up into the sky. Heights were not my thing. I started walking faster to get away from the frightening thrill of California screaming. I could see the boardwalk in view. Almost there. Maybe we would play some games. I just had to pass this ride and I was there. When I had almost passed the long line of people waiting, I noticed the sunburned waiting riders. They looked impatient as they leaned against anything they could find. I slowed to a walk as I examined the people around me. This was just low enough for a familiar sweaty hand to grab me by the shoulder. Okay. I winced as the coaster raced down the hill. What's the meaning of winced? Made a face. So, she was looking at the roller coaster. What's the name of the roller coaster? The name of the roller coaster is California Screaming. So the author or the narrator, here both are same. She was looking at the California Screaming. So she winced as the coaster raced down the hill. So in the diagram, in the picture, we saw that there is a coaster is going up, then it will come down. So when the coaster was coming down, what happened? She winced as the coaster raced down the hill. Winced means made a face. That is with embarrassment or pain. So she made a face. ഒരു പേടിച്ചൊരു മുഖം വന്നു നമ്മുടെ ഓതോർണം. എക്സ് മീൻസ് അയ്യോ നമ്മൾ പറയുമല്ലേ, സെയിം തിങ്. Drops really scare me, but the only thing was going upside down. So she is telling coming down in a roller coaster. That means drops means coming down. വീഴ്ചകൾ, ഡ്രോപ്സ് എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ വീഴ്ചകൾ. അപ്പോൾ ഈ ഒരു റോളർ കോസ്റ്ററിൽ മേലേക്ക് പോകും ഒരു റെയിൽവേയിൽ കാറ്, പിന്നെ അത് താഴേക്ക് ഹൈ സ്പീഡിൽ വരും. അപ്പം ആ താഴേക്ക് വരുന്നതിന് ഇവിടെ ഡ്രോപ്സ് ഉദ്ദേശിക്കുന്നത്. സോ ഷീ ഈസ് ടെല്ലിങ് ഡ്രോപ്സ് റിയലി സ്കെയർ മീ, ബട്ട് ദ ഓൺലി തിങ് വാസ് ഗോയിങ് അപ്സൈഡ് ഡൗൺ. സോ ഷീ ഈസ് ടെല്ലിങ് ഒന്നാമത് എനിക്ക് താഴേക്ക് വരുന്നത് പേടിയാണ്, പക്ഷേ ഇത് മെയിൻ തിങ് ഏറ്റവും പേടിപ്പിക്കുന്ന കാര്യം എന്നാ, അപ്സൈഡ് ഡൗൺ, അതായത് തല തിരിഞ്ഞ് ആ കാറ് പോകും. അതാണ് ഏറ്റവും എന്നെ പേടിപ്പിക്കുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ ഷീ ഈസ് ആസ്കിങ് അസ്, could you fall out? You will fall out, no? The structure of the ride just went up and up and up into the sky. So she is telling us it is going up. It is going up. So for her, she is telling it's like it's going up into the sky. Heights were not my thing. She is telling heights were not my thing. I am afraid of heights also. So I started walking faster to get away from the frightening thrill of California screaming. So she started walking faster. Why is she walking faster? She is walking faster to get away from the frightening thrill of California screaming. She just want to go away from the California screaming, from that roller coaster. The other want to go away from, because she's getting afraid while she's standing near the California screaming. She can't even stand near that. Okay. I could see the boardwalk in view. What's the meaning of boardwalk? Boardwalk means a wooden walkway often raised above the level of the ground. ഒരു നടപ്പാത അവിടെ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. തടിയും കൊണ്ടുണ്ടാക്കിയ ഒരു നടപ്പാത അവിടെ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. So she could see that. And she's sitting almost there. Almost there. അവിടെ എത്താനായിട്ടുണ്ട്. Maybe we would play some games. So she's telling, maybe we would play some games. We won't go in these big rides. We will play some games. I just had to pass this ride and I was there. So she's telling, if I pass this ride, I'm there on the boardwalk. Okay. When I had almost passed the long line of people waiting, I noticed the sunburned waiting riders. So she's telling, when I almost passed the long line, this is a ride and there are many people waiting for their turn near the ride. Okay. Many people are waiting near the California screaming for their turn. So as the author is passing this ride, she is noticing these people. And what did she notice about the people? She noticed that they all are, I noticed the sunburned waiting riders. What's the meaning of sunburned? Tanned. Tanned means നമ്മൾ ഈ കരുവാളിച്ച് പോയി കറുത്തുപോയി എന്നൊക്കെ പറയല്ലേ, സൂര്യപ്രകാശം മറ്റേ കറുത്തുപോയി, ഭയങ്കരമായിട്ട് സൂര്യപ്രകാശം നമ്മൾ കറുത്തുപോയി എന്നൊക്കെ പറയല്ലേ, അതാണ് സൺബേൺഡ്. ഓക്കെ, സോ ഷീസ് ടെല്ലിങ്, she's noticing the people who are waiting there, and she's telling almost all of them are sunburned. They looked impatient as they leaned against anything they could find. So impatient means ക്ഷമയില്ല, they leaned as ചാരി നിന്നു. So they looked impatient, they all looked impatient as they leaned against anything they could find. So they all are eagerly waiting for their turn to be on California screaming. I slowed to a walk as I examined the people around me. So she was walking very fast, right? She told. I started walking faster, but when she was examining these people, she slowed, like she was not walking faster, she was just walking now because she is examining the people around her. So this was just low enough for a familiar sweaty hand to grab me by the shoulder. She was telling, I was slow enough for a familiar sweaty hand. ഒരു വേർത്ത കൈകൾ എന്നെ പിടിക്കാൻ മാത്രം ഞാൻ സ്ലോ ആയിപ്പോയി. ഓക്കെ. Hey, my mom said, why don't we ride this? She points up to the roller coaster that I had been fearing. No thanks, I quickly replied. I tried to hurry on, but no luck. Oh, come on, you'll love it, my mom enthused. Yeah, go with mom, I'll take your hat, my dad offered. I silently handed him my hat and peered up at the ride. It couldn't be that bad, right? That looks calm, I thought. I can probably ride this. Okay, fine, let's go, I said, the end of my words starting to pick up excitement. So she was walking slowly and her mother caught her. Then what happened? Her mother is asking her, hey, why don't we ride this? She's asking her, like, why don't we ride this? And she points up to the roller coaster. Her mother is asking the author that, why can't we ride this roller coaster? Why can't we go on this roller coaster? And what was the reply of the author? No thanks, I quickly replied. I tried to hurry on, but no luck. Our author, she's afraid of this roller coaster, so she does not want to go on the roller coaster, but her mother want to go on the roller coaster. So she's like, when her mother asked, why don't we try this? What was her reply? She told, no thanks, no mummy, I'm not coming, because she was afraid of that. Oh, come on, you'll love it, my mom enthused. What did her mother tell? Mother told her that, oh, come on, hey, come on, you'll love it, my mom enthused. What's the meaning of enthused? Enthused means ആവേശത്തോടെ. In English, talked excitedly. വളരെ ആവേശത്തോടെ അമ്മ എന്താ പറഞ്ഞത്? വാ, നിനക്കിത് നന്നായിട്ട് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെടും. Yeah, go with mom, I'll take your hat, my dad offered. What did her father tell? Father told her that, go with mom, I will take your hat. Go with mom, I will take your hat. She was wearing a hat. I will take that, her father told her. I silently handed him my hat and peered up at the ride. It couldn't be that bad, right? So she silently gave her hat to her father and peered up at the ride. Peered means looked carefully. ശ്രദ്ധിച്ച് ആ റൈഡിലേക്ക് ഒന്ന് നോക്കി. Then she was telling to herself, what? It couldn't be that bad, right? ഇത് അത്രയ്ക്ക് മോശമാവൂലല്ലേ? That looks calm, I thought. I can probably ride this. Then she's telling to herself, okay, ഇത് കുഴപ്പമില്ലെന്ന് തോന്നുന്നു. എനിക്കിത് റൈഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുമായിരിക്കും. Okay, fine, let's go, I said, and the end of my words starting to pick up excitement. Then finally she told, okay, mummy, let's go, I said, and at the end of my words starting to pick up excitement. So till this much time she was afraid of the ride. Now she had some excitement. കുറച്ച് ആവേശവും കുറച്ച് സന്തോഷമൊക്കെ വരാൻ തുടങ്ങി. My mom and I reached toward the ride, leaving my dad and brother behind. I was actually half excited to go on this ride despite my nervousness before. Like then the author and her mother, they both started to go to the ride. Then and her father and brother was standing there behind. Okay, now what happened? Now the author was actually half excited. Before she was nervous and she was afraid, but now she's actually half excited to go on this ride. The line moved quickly and we were soon halfway through. So they were standing on the line for waiting for their chance, and the line moved quickly and they reached the halfway. Okay. I was wondering why the ride looked better when I looked up at it the second time rather than the first. Now the author is thinking, first I was afraid of this ride, but now like I'm excited. Why? She's asking herself, I was afraid at first, but now I am excited. Why? Why is this happening like this? Then it hit me. Then she remembered. I had forgotten about the loop and drop. Okay, so she's telling me, ഞാനത് മറന്നുപോയി. എന്താ മറന്നുപോയി? ലൂപ്പ് ആൻഡ് ഡ്രോപ്പ്. വാട്ട് ഇസ് ദ മീനിങ് ഓഫ് ലൂപ്പ് ആൻഡ് ഡ്രോപ്പ്? ഓക്കെ, ദിസ് ഈസ് ദ ലൂപ്പ് ആൻഡ് ഡ്രോപ്പ്. ഇങ്ങനെ വളഞ്ഞ്, അതായത് ലൂപ്പ് ആൻഡ് ഡ്രോപ്പ്, മേലേക്ക് പോയി താഴേക്ക് വരുന്നത്, ഇതിനാണ് ലൂപ്പ് ആൻഡ് ഡ്രോപ്പ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, ദിസ് ഈസ് ലൂപ്പ് ആൻഡ് ഡ്രോപ്പ് ഇൻ എ റോളർ കോസ്റ്റർ. സോ ഇതിൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കാണാം ആ റോളർ കോസ്റ്റർ തല തിരിഞ്ഞ് വരുന്നത്. അതായത് നമ്മൾ തല തിരിഞ്ഞ് നിൽക്കും ആ റോളർ കോസ്റ്ററിൽ. അതും കൊണ്ടായിരുന്നു ഓതറിന് എത്താൻ പറ്റുന്നത്. അപ്സൈഡ് ഡൗൺ റോളർ കോസ്റ്റർ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, സോ ഈ ലൂപ്പ് ആൻഡ് ഡ്രോപ്പിനെ കുറിച്ച് നമ്മുടെ ഓതർ മറന്നു പോയിരുന്നു. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഇപ്പോൾ ഓതർ എക്സൈറ്റഡ് ആയിട്ടിരിക്കുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, the sun was beating down on my face and blinding me without my hat. ഭയങ്കര സൂര്യപ്രകാശം ആയിരുന്നതുകൊണ്ട് ഓതറിന് എന്താ പറയുക, സൂര്യപ്രകാശം കാരണം കണ്ണ് കാണത്തില്ലാത്തൊരവസ്ഥ, അങ്ങനെ നമ്മൾ പറയില്ലേ, ആ ഒരു അവസ്ഥയിലായിരുന്നു. ഐ ടോട്ടലി ഓവർലുക്ക് ദ വേഴ്സ്റ്റ് പാർട്സ്. ഓവർലുക്ക്ഡ് മീൻസ് അവഗണിച്ചു, ഇഗ്നോർ, അവോയ്ഡ്. സോ she was like, she forgot about the bad things or the worst parts and she was only thinking about the positive. Okay, so we will wind up here. We'll end our class today. I will give the meanings. Write it in your fair note. I will give you the meanings and dictation words. Study the dictation words properly and study the meanings. Write the meanings neatly in your fair notebook. If you have textbook, read the textbook 5 times if you have the textbook. Okay, so thank you. Don't forget to wear your mask while you're going out and wash your hands properly when you're coming back. Okay.